Oh my gosh, I did not know that this stuff was actually in these products. No wonder. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little bit different. We're actually doing an update on the skincare routine that I was doing before. When I uploaded that video, I was actually already doing it for about 3 weeks already, and I noticed my face was not in the condition that I wanted it to be. As you can tell, you can actually see some bumps on my face from some pimples or some blackheads or some milk buds, whatever you call them. I am not acne prone whatsoever, but when it comes to trying new products on my face and letting you guys know what they're all about, sometimes it's a sacrifice to make, and I'm definitely paying for it right now. Um, I haven't been using that many products at all. I used an exfoliator, a cleanser, a nighttime mask, a daily daytime moisturizer, and I think like an under eye serum, but that I've used for a long time, and I know it wasn't that. Um, let's see. Starting out with the actually, I don't have it on with me. I was using like that truffle exfoliator that I got in my BoxyCharm box, and it leaves like a warming feeling on the face. It definitely, you can definitely feel that it's exfoliating, but it's not like a deep exfoliator. You'll still have like um dirt and like, just like debris that still be in your pores, like around your nose and stuff like that. I've used better exfoliators, to be honest, like this one by Elf. It's an exfoliating scrub. This scrub has always, definitely cleaned my face really well, and it's definitely more affordable also. The truffle one, I like it, but it just doesn't get all the dirt off my face completely. I'll still continue to use it, but I mean, I would use it more for like my gentle days rather than the days that I've got like heavy makeup on, or, stuff like that, which isn't very often. So that's what I mean. I would probably use those products very rarely. And so now, the two things I really want to talk about that has changed my skin so much are these guys. These guys. These are the Glow Recipe watermelon glow like products. I'm supposed to be getting another one in my BoxyCharm this month, and it's supposed to be the mist because everybody is going to be getting them if they've got the regular box. I think that's the one that's going to come in. And so these are the only products I've been using to like moisturize my face with. I wouldn't say they're the greatest moisturizers because since it is gel like, it really does sink into your skin like automatically, and it melts into like a water kind of texture. Um it doesn't like mask your face with like this moisturizing feel. To me, since I'm more on the combination to dry side, at the moment, it kind of like dried out pretty quickly, to be honest, for the moisturizer. I felt like I needed another moisturizer to like wear with this. And then on top of that, at night, after cleansing my face, I would use this sleep mask. After a couple weeks, I started to notice that there were some breakouts on my face, like on my forehead, on my chin, and like some like a lower jaw and stuff like that. And I've got some right here that have just popped up, but I've stopped using these products. So I just couldn't understand why my face was breaking out due to these products alone. Once I started to cut these products out of the routine, my face started to get a little bit better, but there was still like some breakouts because my pores were so clogged. And so I did some research and was trying to figure out why my skin was being clogged by these products. But there was just so many claims, like, it says that it's supposed to be for sensitive skin, for all types of skin. It's supposed to be super hydrating, super moisturizing. Once I like did like some deep researching and trying to figure out what was inside of these, I was not happy whatsoever. So I'm not using these anymore. I'm more than likely going to get rid of them. Um, and the mist as well, because the mist actually has traces of olive oil in them, which can actually clog your pores. And since my pores are super clogged, they've never been like that ever before. I've always been really good at cleaning my face, cleansing them, making sure that my pores are like dirt free, because at the moment you can tell my face is a little bit textured at the moment, but that's because of the products. So, you know, I've always been textured right here, but that's because of my, they're like kind of like freckles, I guess, but yeah, see? You can tell my nose is like really textured. You see how clogged my pores are? That's because of the cleansers and stuff. Normally, before I started using the moisturizers, I keep saying cleansers. Before I started using the moisturizers, I had minimized pores. But ever since I started using those, it started to enlarge my pores and making them more clogged up, which I'm not used to, not used to that ever happening to me at all. I really don't like that. Done with those, I barely even used it. Like, there's like this much that I've used, so it's like probably about that much. Even though, you know, I only used it for like 3 weeks. I don't know how to make these products work for me, but I'm better off just not using them at all because that's how badly they're affecting my skin. And I will actually screenshot the research that I did on what's actually in them, and then I'll post it in this video so that way you guys can read it and then, you know, see for yourselves what's in these products. Because on the website, it doesn't tell you all the ingredients. It only tells you the active ingredients, the key ingredients, the stuff that matters. They don't tell you about the stuff that like the secret stuff, the stuff that you probably don't need to know about. I do not want to damage my skin at all. I want to keep it very clean, very clear, and very youthful. So, and plus, I like to use as less products as possible so less products that work really well are way better than using a lot of products just to get that same effect. Like, you really don't want to put too much on your skin. You just don't. Keep it simple. I'm going to be updating my skincare routine because there's some other products that I got in my BoxyCharm video, which I will talk about you guys like right now. Okay, so like, you know, since this skincare routine is all about skincare products that I get in my BoxyCharm, I'm going to be switching it up because I do get other products in my boxes, and since I get 2 boxes a month, I get like, you know, my standard box and I get my premium box, so it's like double the skincare products that I could possibly getting. So I'm not using that Glow recipe anymore. There are some things I'll still be using. I'll still be using my under eye like serum because this stuff really does work. It's really nice though, really nice also. I think it's really helped me minimize my fine lines for sure, because bitches can sometimes stress you out and make you look old. Trust me. That person is not doing so well at the moment. She looks so old right now. You can actually find this at Ulta also. Another product I'll still be using is my sunblock, because no matter what, you should always be using sunblock. This is good for your face and it will keep you from aging fast, because some people do age really quickly, and sunblock is so important for your skin. So important. You need to wear sunblock, whether it's nighttime, daytime, because this will improve your skin a lot. It really did for me. Also, another product to replace the moisturizer that I was using was this really expensive Avent hyaluronic vitamin C. Well, pretty much what it is a Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Duo Moisturizer. Technically, you're supposed to stay away from vitamin C products for a reason. I forgot what it was. I don't remember what it was, but apparently you're not really supposed to use them on your face. But this is a small bottle for like $100-something that I got in my box. And since I got that for only paying one small price and not $100-something, you're supposed to apply this in the morning and evening after cleansing and applying your serum. But I'll only be using it one time because at night I like to use something different. So this will be my daily morning moisturizer. For my nighttime moisturizer, I'll be using this Dr. Brandt's Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I really do like this. It works really well. It's for all skin types. You apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. You can use this nightly. It's very safe. It definitely helps to keep my face very moisturized. I like this. It's also another really good brand, Dr. Brand. You should check them out. Let's see. A new product that I want to try that I haven't tried yet was this Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detox for Clay Souffle Mask. It was the one I remember telling you guys was such a long title. So I haven't tried this at all yet. I really want to know what this looks like. Woo! Whoa! Okay, so after you use it, you're supposed to put this thing, supposed to put it back in there. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I moved a little bit closer, and so here it is. Oh, it's really cooling. I think I'm gonna use this today, actually. It doesn't have like a heavy smell like a lot of masks do, because sometimes those clay masks or like the green mask can have like a really, really heavy like chemical smell to it. But this is like super freezing on the skin. Like it feels so chilling and cold. And this is actually a lot of product. I just did like one little pump. I really like this. It feels so smooth. It's really, really, really smooth and moussey. But it's a clay mask. Like literally, it's a clay mask. So let me clean this. And as for the exfoliators, I'll be using this more often as my normal exfoliator. I'll use the truffle exfoliator sometimes. I won't use it very often. I'll probably use it on my more like gentle days. On the days I don't wear a lot of makeup, like more everyday stuff, not like this. The makeup that I have on right now is probably better off for this. And then I'm gonna keep trying out that cleanser by Tula. It still sucks, to be honest. It really hasn't done anything for my face except for the fact it stinks really bad. It smells horrible. It smells horrible. It still burns my skin, which I probably should stop using it. Yeah, I think I might stop using it. I gotta see if I have any other cleansers. I'll probably use like a regular drugstore brand cleanser, because I used to use the Clean and Clear or something like that. And then of course I have like the toning wipes also. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this update skincare routine. Did I just say titty? I hope you guys enjoy this updated skincare routine video, because trust me, if you are easily acne prone, or your pores are large, or they have the tendency to clog up really easily, stay away from this product. Stay away from all of it altogether. Just, you're better off. Trust me. Don't even waste your money. There are other skincare products out there that are way better. Don't even waste your money. That's it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.